Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys seem to like the last Instant Pot recipes video so much that I thought it'd be fun to do another one. So today I'm sharing with you 4 more easy Instant Pot recipes. Also, I will have all of these recipes linked down in the description box below. The first recipe that I'm sharing with you guys today is an Instant Pot hearty vegetable and brown rice soup. So it is light and healthy, but also kind of hearty and satisfying all at the same time. So the first thing that I did was chop all of my vegetables. I set my Instant Pot to saute and added in some olive oil. Then I added in my onion and stirred it until it was soft and brown for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then I added in the garlic and ginger and stirred for another minute. Once that was done, I hit cancel and turned off the Instant Pot and then added in the remaining ingredients, starting with the vegetables, then the rice, then the tomato paste, herbs, season everything with salt and pepper. And then I put the lid on the Instant Pot, sealed it, and cooked on high pressure for about 20 minutes. Once the timer went off, I allowed the stew to naturally release the pressure for about 10 minutes, and then I quick released it and took the lid off. And then that is the soup all completed. It's really yummy and it's healthy, but it's also kind of hearty and comforting at the same time. The next recipe is for Instant Pot chicken tacos. The ingredients for these tacos are super easy, and then I'm going to show you how I make a pico de gallo to add to the top. First thing you're going to do is place the chicken breast in the bottom of the Instant Pot and add the chicken broth. Sprinkle taco seasoning over the chicken breast and then top with salsa. Press poultry and then cook for 12 minutes. Shred the chicken with 2 forks. Then add the chicken back into the Instant Pot and combine with that sauce. For the pico de gallo, all I do is chop up some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and then I have some lime juice, and I combine it all together and then add salt and pepper to taste. I heated up some tortillas in a pan, placed the chicken on top of the tortillas, and then topped everything with that fresh pico de gallo and some sour cream, and then I called it good. Next is a really yummy one. This is Instant Pot French dip sandwiches. The first thing that I did is pat dry a chuck roast and then seasoned each side with salt and pepper. Next, I turned the Instant Pot on to saute and added in some oil. And then I browned each side of the chuck roast. Next, I removed the chuck roast and set it off to the side. And then I added in the sliced onions and sauteed them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add in minced garlic, a pinch of dried rosemary, a pinch of thyme, 2 bay leaves, and saute for another minute. Next, add in your soy sauce and your Worcestershire. Next, deglaze the Instant Pot by pouring in a cup of whatever kind of stock you're using and scrape the bottom to remove all the brown bits. And place the browned chuck roast back in the Instant Pot. Put on the lid and pressure cook for 45 minutes. Once the timer goes off, remove the chuck roast and add it to a mixing bowl and shred with 2 forks. Bring the au jus sauce that is in the Instant Pot back to a boil and let it reduce down for about 5 to 10 minutes. I like to have the cheese melted on the sandwiches before I assemble them, so I placed some Swiss cheese, but provolone is also good, onto each half of the sandwich, and then I toasted it in the oven until everything was nice and melty and crispy at the same time. Next, it's time to assemble the sandwiches. And then serve up with some of the au jus sauce. The last recipe that I'm sharing is Instant Pot Teriyaki chicken served over pineapple rice. The chicken is so easy to make, just pretty much dump all the ingredients in. Add in your pineapple chunks, soy sauce, cube your chicken and add it into the Instant Pot. Stir everything together, then put the pressure cooker lid on and set to pressure cook for 3 minutes. And that is it. That's how easy it is. And now we're going to make the pineapple rice also in the Instant Pot. Again, this is a jump and go recipe, and we make this rice all the time. Add all of your ingredients, with the exception of the cilantro, into the Instant Pot. Place the lid on the pot. And set the Instant Pot to pressure cook for 7 minutes. Once the timer goes off, remove the lid and fluff with a fork. The way that we like to eat this dish is to first put some rice on the bottom of a bowl and then top with that teriyaki chicken, and of course add some of that extra yummy teriyaki sauce. And then you can garnish with cilantro or green onions, whatever you prefer, and that is it. That's how easy it is. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some more Instant Pot recipes. Let me know in the comments below if you try any of these recipes and how you like them. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at Allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.